I wanted to talk about my healing journey, where I've been and where I'm going. Alright, so when I started this channel, I made a video talking about healing Crohn's disease and colitis because that's what I was doing myself and I had gotten amazing results. I sent people to Dr. Clean, who is a natural hygienist and promotes a 100% raw diet, and he's really specified on, his field is helping people with Crohn's disease and colitis. And I tried his protocol and it works. It really, really works. Basically, if you're in any pain, this is something that will really help you. So if you haven't seen that video, it's Heal Crohn's Disease and Colitis Naturally. I'll put a link on the video here you can click on. It's incredible stuff. You should really take a look and see if it can help you if you have any of those problems. But for me, it did work. I had a few issues though. Like, it was hard for me to stay on the diet. Mentally, really, is because I had all these cravings for other foods, and then on top of that, I didn't have much variety. All I was eating was bananas, banana smoothies, banana pudding, everything bananas. It was great though because bananas are really easy on the digestion system, and when you're in so much pain, they give you a lot of relief quickly. So, yeah, so from there on, I kept trying it, and then I went back to a cooked food diet because I needed this. My mind couldn't take it. I immature spiritually, I guess, enough, or I just couldn't stay on the wagon. And that happens to a lot of people. It really does. It's really difficult. And I kind of went cold turkey. I didn't really transition well. And that's really important for some people. You really probably should transition. And I'm going to make a video on that, actually, because that's a really important topic that needs to be explained thoroughly, in my opinion. But, so yeah, let's see. Last year, after about a year of eating cooked food and stuff, I went raw again. I wanted to see if I could do it. I felt motivated. I thought I really, really could do it. And I did. I did it. I did it for 7 months. And then I fell off the wagon. But my reasons for that is because I still kind of forced it. I didn't really let it flow. And the difficulty of getting quality food, quality fruit, and to be more specific, was really difficult for me. Like, we didn't have many shops around that were selling organic, or if they didn't sell organic, they just sold good, tasty, unorganic food. Everything was unripe, and it didn't ripen properly, and I couldn't take it anymore. So I needed variety in my life, and I was also scared that because I was eating all fruit, and personally, I cannot digest lettuce, and I can't digest fats by themselves, so I wasn't able to eat greens unless I blended them with a smoothie, and they didn't taste good to me. And it still didn't digest too well, so I was just mainly eating fruit. But I was getting a little scared because I was worried about nutrition imbalances because, the soils these days aren't amended very well, so you're not going to get all your nutrients in the fruit. And that was scaring me, so I had to find a balance. My balance was just to add a cooked salad, had some rice, mix with a salad, lettuce greens, and to get those nutrients in. And amazing enough, eating rice or potato with a salad, that's what actually makes the lettuce digest for me. So, finding that, that's why I went and did that. I was able to get my greens in, and I was happy about that. So, I did that since last August until actually now. And next month, I'm planning on going raw again. Personally, if you haven't seen my herb video already, my opinion on herbs has changed. I was a natural hygienist, and I didn't think herbs were really good for you, but they have changed, so go and watch that video. I'll put a link on the screen so you can if you haven't. And since my opinion has changed on that, I'm going to actually be doing a 100% raw diet next month, along with taking some herbs to help accelerate my healing process, because I now believe that herbs actually can help. They may be slightly toxic to your body, but the benefits and the chemistry of the herbs, like the astringents, I believe far outweigh the small amount of toxins your body will have to deal with when it comes to herbs. So yeah, next month I'll be eating more fruits, actually, because it's summertime and we have way more variety and way more in-season foods, so they're ripe and they're tasty. And I'm going to be doing grapes, less bananas because they're not as juicy, and I don't believe they promote as much healing as juicy fruits. I'll be doing some grapes and probably a lot. That'd be the biggest thing. Mangoes, because oh man, I love mangoes. Mangoes are tasty. And then they're also juicy and they're sub-acid, so they're good. And maybe some watermelons, depends on what I can take, because it's also my belief that watermelons or any other red fruits are very aggressive on the body. They really cleanse you out a lot. But I'll see what I can do and see what I can take personally through my own journey. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated to see how my journey is going, how the herbs are working for me, if they're working, or what my experiences are with them. Because while I do believe them and I've done enough research to make me feel confident that they'll work, I still haven't had my own experience with them. And I'd like to go ahead and do that. And when I have the experience, like I said, I'll make videos that you guys know what my progress is and to see where I'm at. And hopefully this will all work out great, because I would love, I'm excited about getting my health back. I really am. I'd like to get some more absorptibility back in my body so I can start gaining some muscle and gain some more weight and making more videos, because these are fun to do. And if you're healthy, you have more energy, you're lively, you're actually able to do stuff. So if I'm healthy, I can make more videos. Look forward to that. So thanks everyone for watching, and if you have any questions about my health journey, let me know in the comment section. I'm happy to answer them. And take care, everybody. Love you guys. Peace. Hey everyone, it's Show here. Today I wanted to talk about water fasting. So I did one last year for like 5 days, because that's as